Okay, we just got out here to Lucap Wharf. I'm over here on the far end. We parked the tricycle and we walked over here to let the dog go potty. Now I'm down here by the souvenir shops. Souvenir shops used to be over right there, but they took them out and they kind of dispersed them all throughout this area here. So let's take a walk over and towards the dock area and see what's going on. Pretty quiet today. Not a lot happening. Obviously no tourists, or very few if there are. I know these guys. Troublemaker dog. As soon as we get here, she has to go dumping everywhere. Bodily waste. Bodily waste. Come on.
No wonder she's pulling her legs so hard.
Yeah. Must have been all the excitement on the trike ride over here.
Yeah.
Idiot. As soon as we get here, she's got to go doing a number.
Slowly, John. Slowly.
So yeah. The power's out here again over in Alaminos. 1 to 5 this afternoon while the power company does some work on the lines or whatever. So I'm sure that's part of the reason why there's maybe some people out here gathering, just kind of hanging out. Who wants to sit inside a hot house when you come out here? Enjoy time with your loved ones. Friends, family, whatever. No stepping on 3D images. Well, I'll certainly try not to. If I see any 3D images, I'll make sure not to step on them. If that's what these are, I don't know. 3D images. Welcome, 2020 100 Islands, Alaminos City, Pangasinan, Philippines. So yeah, the famous arch here in Alaminos. Let's take a walk. See, this is where you used to board the boats, embark and disembark. And I don't know where the heck these boats are at anymore. I keep asking, but I never get any answers. They're around here somewhere. They used to be right here. I think the last time I was here, we walked like the direction I'm walking right now, and there was like a dock right here, and they filled all this in, but the water used to come up further, if I remember right, and all the boats were like right smack dab in front of where I'm standing right now, and a little dock, and you just walk out there, get on the boats, and then they would take you out to the 100 Islands, which is right out there. Well, yeah, all of those out there. Now, I don't know. Now I'm not sure where the boats are. There's Maxine's restaurant. That little piece that sticks out there. It's like a little pier, dock, whatever. That's all the restaurant area. You sit out there and eat. And then Mermaids, I think that's what it's called. Mermaids Restaurant. Mermaids Cafe, sorry. Never been in there. But I have been to Maxine's quite a few times, and then the Island Tropic Hotel, which is, can't see it from here, but it's that direction, basically that way. So yeah, very nice out here today. Nice breeze. So yeah, this is what it looks like now, where the docks used to be and the boats used to come in and out. This is all that area right here. No more boats. Again, I don't know where they're at. They've got to be right around here somewhere.
There's no operation for the boat yet.
No operation for the boats yet.
You have to register, and then they will be the one to arrange the food. That's why they're not.
Oh, so
Due
there's.
to pandemic, you cannot see boat.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess that explains it. You have to register, and then they arrange a boat to come and pick you up. Where that boat comes and picks you up, who knows? Right here, maybe? I don't know.
They will contact them.
Yeah. At any rate, that's where it was. All these, you would come down here before, and all these boats would be parked right, basically where we're sitting, where we're at right now. But anyways, that's what we got going on here. Thank you. Come again. This way. We'll walk around over here. If I walk any slower, I'll be walking backwards. So if I remember right, this is where a lot of the outdoor food stands were.
We can go there and then see the small pans,
That's pretty nice. Oh, yeah. Pretty nice. Kind of a little.
It's the 100 island image.
Sure. Very cool. Like little models of each of the islands, or each of the major islands, probably. Yeah. Yeah, very. Yeah. I remember that food store or whatever, convenience store. Still open. Okay. Nice. Okay, here's the tourism office. This I know is where we go in to sign up for your tour. I do remember this. We're gonna have to go back out there again soon. I had such a good time the last time we went out there. It was fun. If you're ever in the area, make sure you go out to the 100 Islands. It's quite a nice experience. Jam Jam. Oh. Come on, let's go, Jam. Island Tropic Hotel and Restaurant. Pretty good place to eat. Hello.
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm fine also.
Good.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Eric. What's your? Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Jake.
Erica. Erica.
Nice name.
Is. Oh yeah.
That is Erica, sir.
Erica, really? Yeah, that's my daughter's name, Erica. Her name is Erica. United States.
Okay, nice country.
But we live here.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Yeah, thank you. Nice meeting you too.
It's nice because the island.
Philippines is nice, you know.
Oh, I've been coming here for many years.
I've been here.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Jam.
Yeah, this was, God, it was so busy last time, or not the last time I was here, but the last time I was here pre-pandemic times, this place was just packed. In fact, we sat out here and ate, didn't we?
This place.
Yeah, sat right out here and ate.
Recently, and Kuya really we ate here before
Yeah,
with friends.
there's tons of people around here. There's people everywhere. It's really freaking sad to see it like this. Huh.
Jam.
Nice people back there. Yeah, it's getting towards the later part of the afternoon, about 4:35, so the sun is kind of on its way down. We'll probably lose daylight here in about 45 minutes to an hour, I would imagine. It's just a gorgeous day out here. It's nice to see people out here enjoying this area. There's parts of it that are real empty, and it's kind of sad to see but other parts are filled with families and couples, and it's nice to see that. Really, really nice. So we'll just kind of continue walking around the area with the dog, and we stay till nighttime. I think that tree is going to light up, but I don't know if we're going to be here that long. These cute little kids. Adorable. So we got the little souvenir shops. Yeah. So is this actually the front or the back?
Front.
Okay, because you can go around the other side. And... Hello, sir. How are you? Good, good.
Buy souvenir.
Maybe, maybe. Walk out here on the road and show you